So I found the perfect chair at a thrift store. It was like only $6. So of course I had to snatch it up because I love the modern aesthetic it had given. But the color was wrong. It was like a green color. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in this like dye mixture that I've made. I followed the directions. I put in some hot water, salt, and the dye. And now I'm making sure that everything is seeping into the fabric so it could give me the perfect black color. And then I want to take the chair outside and want to use some fabric dye to hopefully get that black as well. This is what happened to the cushion. This is what it used to look like, the color used to look like. And now this is what it looks like now. It is still a little green, but I don't know if I'm gonna worry about it, honestly. So right now I'm gonna try to spray paint this. I have some upholstery spray paint. I don't know how good this works. So I got the matte black and this regular spray for the front. Oh, it said shake this boy for 2 minutes. Shaking me. Yeah. I don't know why I gotta be 2 minutes. That's a long time. Alright, let's test on the inconspicuous spot. Oh, holy moly. Oh, I like that. Oh, I like that. Hold on. Oh, that's actually doing something. Oh, well, let's go. So this is what it's looking like now. Just gotta let it dry before I put on another coat. You can see some spots where we put too much. And I'm not really worried about it being on the wood part because that could just come off with alcohol. And then I'm gonna get to the back. I think I'm gonna invest in this product. Hopefully this small can cover all of this back, but I don't see why not. And if not, I still got this whole bucket of dye I can just throw on there. Let's see what I got. Oh, shoot. That boy massive too. Listen, they be throwing it out. You hear me? Uh-oh. I got the ground. Maybe I should put something on here. Whoop. I ran out. And this is how I look. Ran out. But I'm going to see if I can't just add the dye and fill in the spaces. I used an old rag to dip it into the dye mixture and started to just dab it into the lighter spaces where the green was still showing. And it actually ended up turning out to look really, really well. I let it dry for like 2.5 hours and these are the results. I could recommend this and probably will use it again.